Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Land who's ready to learn today. All right, let's get those thinking brains on. Okay, so today boys and girls, we're gonna be doing some vowels. Remember we talked about vowels, and when we would do our cards, remember our letter cards? All of those vowels were the pink cards. So I'm gonna pull them out, okay? And we're gonna review the vowels. We even had talked about a little vowel song, if you remember. And then we're gonna talk about how there's long sounds and short sounds, okay? So let's do this card first. A, apple, A. Remember, you repeat it at home. E, ed, E. I, itch, it. O, octopus, ah. U, up, up. Good job, friends, right? Those are our vowels. But do you remember our song? Do you remember? It went like this. A, E, I, O, U, U. And sometimes Y, A, E, I, O, U, U. And sometimes Y. And Miss Land talked about this. We talked about short and long, how there's two different sounds for these special letters. The short sound, when you see the letter written, looks like this. So sometimes you see this A with a little, remember I said it looks like a little boat? That's the short A sound, right? And A, the short A says ah, 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 ah. Long A, look, it's a line over it. I said that looks like a snake. Long vowel sounds say their own name. So A says A, okay? So E, the short E, look, like a little boat, up. Long E, like a snake, right? Short E says ah, 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 ah. Long E, E. All right, how about I? Short I, right? Like itchy monkey, Long I says I, right? Like ice cream. How about O? Here's the short O, like octopus in our cards. All of our cards are showing short sounds. The A, apple, ah, E, ed, eh. So when we say those sounds, they're short sounds. Okay, short O like octopus, ah. Long O, right? O. Remember they say their own name. U, like up. Long U, like unicorn. All right, now Y. Why is Y over here? Remember Miss Land said, Y is a special little guy. He's tricky, right? Sometimes he likes to be a vowel, but other times he says, I want to be a consonant. A consonant are all those other letters that are in yellow, right? Here are our consonant cards, like B, bat, ba, C, cat, ka, D, dog, duck. Those are our consonant cards. So Y is sometimes a vowel and sometimes a consonant. He is all mixed up. He is confused. So look, remember we said Y is a vowel when he sounds like a vowel. So for instance, in the word sky, the Y, sky says S-K-Y. The Y makes the I sound in sky, which I is a vowel. So in this instance, Y is a vowel. Like in the word candy. We spell it with an Y, but it sounds like an E. E is a vowel. So Y is now a vowel. So if he makes the vowel sounds like an I or E, he's a vowel. But in the words yo-yo or yellow, Y says y, like yo-yo, yellow. Y is then a consonant, okay? We're gonna play a little game. We're gonna focus on, I'm gonna erase this, and we're gonna only focus on now the A vowel sounds and the E vowel sounds. So I have picture cards down here. Parents, what I did is I just drew these pictures on a piece of paper. You could do this too, and you can just sort them. We've been talking about sorting in math, right? We can sort them into categories for long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds, okay? So let's divide this like this, and we'll say long A, right? Look, up there, see how the line is up there, like a snake? And then we'll say short A, up like a boat. We'll say long E and short E. And we have to match them into the right category. So we're technically, I said, we're sorting, okay? So let's think about it. Let's do the first one. Here's the first one. The word is bat. Bat. B-at. What do you think? Does that A is a long? Is it saying its own name? Or is it a short A sound? Because remember, A, apple, a, b-at. Yep, it's short. So we're gonna put it there. Let's do this one. This is the color gray. Gray. A. Ooh, I hear a long sound because A is saying its own name in this word. So I'm gonna put gray under long A. All right, let's do this one. Leaf. Leaf. What do you hear? I hear an E sound. Is it short or is it long? Leaf. Yeah, it's long because I hear the E saying its own name, saying E, 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 like that. All right, let's do this one. This is the word seat. Seat, like I'm taking a seat. S-eat. S-eat. Yeah, I hear that long E again. E is saying its own name. It's saying s-eat. All right, let's do this one. This is the word pan. Pan. Let's tap this one. Ready? Pan. Pan. I think it's short, right? All right, let's do this one. B-E, like a bumblebee. B-E. What do you hear? B-E. Yeah, I hear long. I hear E saying its own name again, right? B-E. Yeah. All right, let's do this one. Lake. 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 I hear a long A because A is saying its own name. Lake in that one. Let's do this one. This says dad. D-ad. D-ad. Yeah, this is a short A. Short A for dad. Okay. All right, here's one. N-et. Let's tap that one. N-et. Yes, this one is a short E because E is saying like ed, right? Like in our cards. E, ed, right? E says Good job. All right, let's do this one. Tree, tree, e. E, yes, I'm hearing the E saying its own name, so we'll put it in the long E sound. You guys are good at this. This is fun, boys and girls. Bed, ed. Yeah, I hear that short sound. All right, let's do this one. Plane, plane like an airplane. Plane, plane. I hear that A saying its own name. All right, 2 more left. Web, like a spider web. Ebb. Yes, I hear that short E sound. All right, last one, friends. All right, this one says sad. He is sad. Sad. Yeah, I hear that short sound. Okay. All right, good job, friends. We sorted all of our words into long A, gray, lake, plane. Short A, bat, pan, dad, sad. How about long E, leaf, eat, seat, bee, tree. Short E, net, bed, web. You guys did a great job with that. That was really fun. All right, so parents, attached to this lesson, you'll see some long A and short A worksheets and some long E and short E worksheets. Remember, you don't need to print them out. You could just do something like this at home, or even have your kids make up their own words and just draw a picture. Pick a long A word, pick a short A word, pick a long E word, pick a short E word, okay? And they can just draw a picture of something, or find something around the house and take a picture of it. That would be fun, okay? So do something fun, boys and girls, and take a picture and show it to me, and I can't wait to see your work. I'm so excited that you guys are growing your brains. Good job. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.